A family is moving. The house is full of boxes. The rooms are quiet. The family looks at the last box. They feel happy. They feel sad. They feel ready. This is the start of a new chapter. In this lesson, we learn English words for moving. We learn how to speak slowly. We learn how to tell our life story in English. A quiet moment of change. Moving is change. Change is not easy. Change can feel heavy. Change can feel light. When we move, we leave old things. We leave old streets. We leave old friends. But we also find new things. We find new streets. We find new friends. English words for this feeling. Happy, feeling good. Sad, feeling not good. Bittersweet, happy and sad together. Hope, to believe good things will come. Say slowly, I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel bittersweet. I feel hope. Here are simple words for moving day. Action verbs. Pack, put things in a box. Carry, hold and move something. Open, take the box apart. Sort, put things in groups. Organize, make things neat. Object nouns. Box, a square container. Tape, sticky strip to close a box. Label, a note to show what is inside. Chair, something to sit on. Table, something to eat on. Practice, I pack the box. I carry the chair. I open the box. Slow phrases with rhythm. English has rhythm. Rhythm is music in words. Say slowly. Turning the page. Starting from scratch. Fresh start. Listen to the rise and fall. Feel the beat. Feelings in moving. Moving is not only boxes. Moving is feelings. Words for feelings. Nervous, a little worried. Excited, full of energy. Lonely, missing people. Hopeful, waiting for good things. Practice. I feel nervous. I feel excited. I feel lonely. I feel hopeful. Now imagine the first day. You put cups in the kitchen. You meet a neighbor. You sleep in a new bed. Short sentences. I open the box. I place the cup. I greet my neighbor. I sleep in my room. These sentences are strong. They show your heart. Moving is a fresh start. Speaking English is also a fresh start. Try one word. Try one sentence. Step by step, you grow. Looking forward. The journey. First box packed. First meal shared. First night in a new home. Future sentences. I will meet new friends. I will learn new words. I will grow in confidence. Say this slowly. I am moving forward. I am learning English. I am starting a new chapter. We learned simple words for moving. We practiced feelings. We made short sentences with rhythm. Today, we will learn more sentences. We will tell small stories. We will grow our English life story. Now, we will make sentences. We will practice rhythm. We will learn how to speak with confidence. Daily routines in a new home. When you move, you start new routines. Routines are small daily actions. Examples: I wake up in my new room. I make tea in my new kitchen. I walk outside to meet my neighbor. Say each sentence slowly. Feel the rhythm. Each word has a beat. Short sentences with flow. English sounds better when words connect. Let's practice short sentences that flow. I open the window. I see the street. I smile at the sun. Notice the rhythm. Open, window, see, street, smile, sun. The words move like music. Greeting new neighbors. Meeting new people is part of moving. Here are simple greetings. Hello, I am new here. Nice to meet you. I live next door. How are you today? Practice slowly. Smile when you say them. Confidence grows with practice. Building a small story. Now, let's make a small story with sentences. Example: I carry a box. I open the door. I place the chair. I greet my neighbor. I sleep in my room. This is a story. It is simple. It is clear. It is your English life story. Feelings in daily life. Feelings are part of routines. Let's add feelings to sentences. I feel nervous when I meet new people. I feel happy when I cook in my kitchen. I feel lonely at night. I feel hopeful in the morning. Practice saying feelings with I feel. This makes your English personal. Examples: I need help with directions. I hope to make friends. I want to learn English. I will try again. These sentences are strong. They show your needs. They show your hopes. Mistakes are learning. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Say slowly, I make mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I grow with mistakes. Each mistake is a step forward. Fresh start in speaking. Moving is a fresh start. Speaking English is also a fresh start. Practice. I start again. I try again. I speak again. Every day is new. Every word is new. Let's practice rhythm with short sentences. Say slowly, I pack the box. I carry the bag. I greet my friend. I sleep in peace. Feel the beat. Speak like music. Small dialogue practice. Here is a short dialogue. Practice with a partner or alone. Hello, I am new here. Nice to meet you. Where do you live? I live next door. Welcome to the neighborhood. This is simple. This is useful. Now let's tell a longer story. Example, I wake up in my new room. I open the window. I see the street. I smile at the sun. I make tea in the kitchen. I greet my neighbor outside. I feel nervous, but I try. I feel happy because I speak. This story is short. It is clear. It has rhythm. Say slowly, I can speak English. I can make friends. I can learn new words. I can move forward. Repeat every day. Confidence grows. Looking ahead. Short sentences with rhythm. Greetings for neighbors. Feelings in daily life. I statements for confidence. Small stories with rhythm. This is the next step in your English life story. We practiced daily routines. We made small stories. We spoke with rhythm. We built confidence. We will look forward. Now we look forward. We speak about the future. We use English to share goals and dreams. From past to future. The past is behind. The future is ahead. Say slowly, I packed the box. Past. I will open the box. Future. Practice past and future. This helps you tell your story. Future tense sentences. Future tense uses will. Examples. I will meet new friends. I will learn new words. I will cook in my kitchen. I will grow in confidence. Repeat slowly. Feel the rhythm. Goals for the new home. Think of your new home. What will you do? Examples. I will plant flowers. I will paint the wall. I will invite neighbors. I will share a meal. These are goals. They are simple. They are clear. Now think bigger. What are your dreams for the year? Examples. I will study English every day. I will read one book. I will write my story. I will travel to a new place. Dreams give hope. Dreams give direction. Rhythmic practice with future. Save these sentences with rhythm. I will wake up early. I will smile at the sun. I will greet my neighbor. I will sleep in peace. Say slowly, I will move forward. I will learn with courage. I will begin a new chapter. I will grow every day. Repeat every morning. Confidence will grow. Small dialogue practice. Here is a short future dialogue. A. What will you do tomorrow? B. I will unpack my boxes. A. What will you do next week? B. I will meet my neighbors. This is simple. This is useful. Looking forward with clarity. We started with boxes. We moved to feelings. We built sentences. Now we look forward. The journey. First box packed. First meal shared. First friend met. First dream spoken. This is your English life story. We practiced future tense. We spoke about goals. We made affirmations. Now the lesson is complete. Day 14 is finished. You have learned words for moving, sentences with rhythm, confidence with I statements, future tense for goals and dreams. Remember, English is not only words. English is your life story. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with heart. Say this final affirmation. I will move forward. I will learn English. I will live my new story.